How to get the Temu sign up bonus. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you know about these offers whereby you can earn free gifts and credits for the sign up in Temu app? Yes, in order to do so, let's get started with the process. Step 1 is to confirm if you have the latest version of the app installed. For this, head over to your Play Store, search for Temu and tap on the update button if it's available. If you have already updated it, you can simply launch the application and sign in. First thing first, you need to check your country settings. For this, tap on the Use section which is at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll land to another page, go to Settings, and after that, on Country and Region, select US. Once that is done, go back to the previous page and you will see Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Tap on it. Then after, you can choose an offer that interests you. In our case, it would be Sign In with Temu. Tap on Get Now and then you just have to follow the on-screen prompts. You have to accept the offer and select your gifts. In some cases, you might also have to share the invite link with your friends. For each friend who signs up on Temu using your invite, you will earn points as well. So once you have earned enough points, tap Pick a Card to reveal the gifts that you can claim. So this is how you can get Temu's various sign-up bonuses. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.